Hey everyone, I hope you're having a smashing good time with the Sokal kickoff. I'm creative specialist Alex Dickerman, and I'm here to show you some real exciting stuff regarding the new brand book and social media strategy. First things first, along with a world full of changes, 2022 is bringing us the second edition of the Sokal brand book. We're refreshing our visual identity with an extended color palette, refined typography, and introducing new organic shapes to our creative toolkit. This updated book will provide both creative direction and a general overview of what Sokal is all about. Some of the important things it showcases are our values, vision, product examples, and most importantly, our creative guidelines, including proper logo usage, new extended color palette, and brand-approved fonts. Starting the same way you would any good book, with the cover. The strong profile of a car's headlights, cloaked in the familiar Sokal blue emerging from a mist of uncertainty, an overwhelming haze. But in this mist, these headlights are a beacon shining brightly, ready to guide you. That beacon is Sokal. We take a brief look back at how this incredible company came to be. To truly appreciate how far we've come, it's important to learn how it all started. In this abridged story of Sokal, we learn how Mark Sokal climbed his way through the auto industry to eventually create one powerhouse of a digital advertising agency. Note the subtle color split on the title page, reminiscent of two companies merging into one, from SMG and Webstreak to Sokal. Another photograph claiming this title page exudes passion and excitement for the work we do. Our client's success depends on the success of each and every member of our team. We are innovators, partners, and mentors, and when we grow, so do they. On the next page, a collage of photos depicting our personality through the collaboration that is so vital to our success. The logo you know and love, dramatically unchanged. Our chevron logo represents the uniformity of our company moving in a forward direction. The two colors in our logo symbolize Sokal's history of two companies merging as one. You can see here 3 examples of proper usage of the logo in its primary color scheme, single tone, preferably in black or navy, and a reversed version to be used on dark backgrounds. Color. Sokal's hallmark palette of blue and turquoise have been updated ever so slightly for a brighter, energized feel. Our bright blue conveys an air of security, calmness, and order, while turquoise communicates sophistication, energy, and wisdom. Our amazingly talented artist, Brittany, has selected an empowering complementary scheme of dark navy and vibrant red-orange, both of which command authority and excitement. When combined, these colors tell our clients that we're a forward-thinking digital agency that they can depend on. In order to strengthen our visual identity, we've narrowed the scope of fonts we'll be using moving forward. Our primary font is now Avenir. In French, the word Avenir means future. As a company that's always looking to the future, it's only fitting that our creative does too. Our secondary font, Cooper Hewitt, is to be used sparingly as an accent, and in circumstances when a condensed typeface is preferable. Lastly, Proxima Nova will be used for web applications. It's minimal, flexible, and highly legible on any screen type or size. Moving on, organic is defined as relating to or derived from living matter. With our 2022 Sokal brand, website, and social refresh, we wanted to exhibit more of a living design, with smooth, rounded shapes converging with hard, metallic vehicle edges. These organic shapes that you see resemble the serenity of the natural world. It's this marriage of sharp and soft, round and cornered, that makes our new design different from anything we have done before. As we come to the end of our journey through this book, we're met with a visual summary of Sokal. These pages offer just a taste of the hard work, dedication, and mad skills you all provide to our clients day in and day out. And now let's talk about social media. We've created a new strategy for 2022 that focuses our efforts on displaying our culture and passion for the work that we do. Using refreshed visuals, we'll highlight members of our amazing team, pull back the curtain with behind-the-scenes looks, and showcase some of our incredible products. Some of the key parts of this new strategy include themed posts, scheduled content, and doubling down on engagement. Let's take a look at some of these new themed posts. We've come up with templates for each content type to curate a look and feel that our audience can recognize and depend on. In this behind-the-scenes snapshot, we get an inside look at a photo shoot with production studio manager Wes Broadhurst. There's so much hard work that goes into everything we do, and we want our audience to know it. This template is a collage of a subtle organic form creeping through the background, a main subject photo, and a blurred secondary photo of an event that evokes a sense of movement and energy. These are accompanied by the content theme, title, and department currently being highlighted. A short excerpt will provide additional context for the imagery. In the same way we want to show off our hard work and dedication, we also want our audience to meet some of the talented individuals on our team. A striking, newly taken headshot will once again be partnered with the post theme, name, and department. No other graphic elements needed on this first photo, as we want their bright smile to take center stage. Swipe to the next image and we'll pull a quote from a brief interview with the featured employee. We'd like to hear about their goals and aspirations and how the work they're putting in for our clients is helping them get there. Maybe even about their favorite moment working at Sokal or their favorite snack from the break room. However, we'll try to stay away from divisive topics like favorite pizza toppings. What better way to promote the exciting return of our podcast and other video content than by sharing it everywhere with branded social media? We'll use screenshots and video clips overlaid with the content headline to make it abundantly clear that you should run, not walk, to the next installment of whatever we're featuring. We're shifting away from posting so much auto industry news in favor of making SoCal the main attraction, but we still want to include our take on what's happening periodically. We've tailored our approach to maintain our brand's voice while highlighting the most useful announcements for our audience. These days, just about every new vehicle that rolls out harnesses some advancement in technology. This makes them safer, more convenient, and more enjoyable to drive. Some of these models are just so exciting we need to share them. These posts frame a single action shot inside of an organic form, giving our audience a glimpse of what's just around the corner through the lens of auto industry pros. Last, but certainly not least, our strategy wouldn't be complete without showing off our incredible offerings. These multi-image posts will showcase our main product hubs and examples of the vast array of products we provide to our clients. The first image will show a representation of a single hub. The next several images will provide mocked-up examples of specific products within that hub, such as Momentum's websites, ad campaigns, and analytics dashboard. In an effort to increase efficiency and consistency, we've created a detailed content schedule. This will allow us to plan ahead of time to create the best possible posts to boost engagement and brand awareness. They say the best way to lead is by example. So we'll also be focusing on engaging with our audience to establish ourselves as an active leader in the industry. While supporting dealers, automakers, and digital professionals, we'll also be creating advocates for our brand. This comes in the form of likes, follows, comments, and can in turn drive traffic to our brand new website. I hope you find this brand refresh as exciting as I do. And now, back to Chris and Katie in the studio.